MASS, stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this very short 1-minute video till the end to find out, right? Because looking at 908 devices looks good, like, don't get me wrong, but let's look at the broader picture. Even today's performance was quite nice. Okay, look, I've made more videos than anyone else in the space, with the most proof documented with 39,000 videos. Not saying this to flex, more so just to kind of show you like the time and effort that I've put in. And again, I'm not saying that you should go ahead and spend 5 figures in 5 years on courses and mentors like I did, but this is very subjective, and I'm looking to buy even more myself. But am I gonna just buy the top? No. Well, yeah, maybe only if the price pulls down and then shows me that shift. And if it does not, why the heck would I look to buy? You see, so I'll keep you updated, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.